every citizen of this country has resolved to turn this crisis into an opportunity. We have to make this a major opportunity. We have to make this a major turning point for this nation. What is that turning point? A self reliant India, says our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all. Distinguished dignitaries, esteemed members of the audience, participants, and colleagues. I, Professor Mickey Barua from the Department of Humanities First Year Engineering, Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, take the privilege of welcoming this virtual gathering to the AICTE Training and Learning Academy approved 1 week online faculty development program on design thinking organized by Vidyalankar Institute of Technology's first year engineering department from 7th to 11th December 2020. I welcome our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Giridhar Lal Garg. Hearty welcome to you, sir. Assistant Director, Atal Academy Cell, AICTE Headquarters, Professor Varsha Bhosle, Vice Principal, Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, Dr. Saurabh Mehta, Chief Academic Officer, VIT, Dr. Amit Oak, Chief Operations Officer, VIT, Professor Sonali Borkar, in charge, First Year Engineering and convener of the FTP, Professor Minakshi Nandula, Department Academic Officer and co-convener FTP, Professor Ambadas Deshmukh, Coordinator FTP, and all faculty to this program. Indeed, it's great to connect during the pandemic today through the online platform. I once again wholeheartedly welcome you all. I am also honored to have with us special invitees, principals, and faculty of various colleges. And I'm extremely delighted to mention also the presence of the heads of various departments of our college. Dr. Dipali Vora, head of the Department of Information Technology, Dr. Sachin Bojamar, head Department of Computer Engineering, Dr. Arun Javan, head of the Department of Electronics Engineering, Dr. Sanjay Singh Thakur, head of the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, and Dr. Amit Oak, Department of Management Studies, head. I, on behalf of the Vidyalankar fraternity, welcome the distinguished assemblage present here. My dear fellow colleagues, this meet is a golden opportunity for us to gain practical, actionable insights, to identify design thinking as a core strategic capability for leading sustainable innovation and business transformation in the present times. To start off with this event, I would now like to introduce before you a very dedicated administrator, a dynamic educationist, a researcher having 20 publications to her credit, and professor in the Department of Information Technology. I'm talking about our dear Vice Principal, Madam, Professor Varsha Bhosle, Madam, who takes every effort and leaves no stone unturned towards the development of all. I request Madam to kindly address our delegates. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning. Thank you, Mickey. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. A very good morning to one and all. On behalf of Vidyalankar Institute of Technology and myself, I extend a warm welcome to our honorable chief guest for the day, Dr. Garg, all the distinguished participants, to our invitees who have consented to join this FDP for the inaugural session. FDP on design thinking, which is scheduled from today for the next 5 days and is approved by AICTE Atal Academy. we at Vidyalankar are committed to continuously grow academically by enhancing professional skills of the learners. I would take this opportunity to introduce uh, all the participants and the dignitaries to Vidyalankar. The institute was established in the year 1999. It is an engineering and management institute and is approved by AICTE and is affiliated to University of Mumbai. The institute is run by Vidyalankar Jnanpith Trust. The seeds of Vidyalankar were sown by late Professional Chandrasekhar Deshpande, a technocrat and visionary, blessed with extraordinary academic talents, great engineering skills, and great passion for teaching. The trust and its members are committed for academic excellence with our motto of students first. Our institute currently runs 5 UG engineering courses, 3 PG engineering courses, 1 PG management course, and has a research center affiliated to University of Mumbai. The institute was awarded A grade by Government of Maharashtra in 2005. The institute has received A plus grade by National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Its UG courses are accredited by National Board of Accreditation. The institute is also accredited by Tata Consultancy Services. We have tied up with various leading organizations and industries and have various MOUs to enhance the skills of the learners. The institute has also received various recognitions and awards. To name a few, for its infrastructural design, it has received the Best Architectural Design Award. The auditorium of the institute has also received the international recognition. The institute is awarded at various levels. It has received the Distinguished College Award by TechNext India. In the annual conference jointly organized by CSI Mumbai chapter in association with Spoken Tutorials FOSSI at IIT Bombay in 2017. Following it, VIT was conferred with the Best Institute Award for Innovative Pedagogical Approaches and Tools by Computer Society of India, Mumbai chapter in Annual Industry Academia Conference at TechNext India 2019. Its various student chapters like CSI, IEEE, IIT have also received various awards for their contribution to the technical communities. The faculties are also awarded for their distinguished contributions in administration and in academics. In order to enhance the skills of the learners beyond given curriculum, it is very necessary that we, as an academic fraternity of faculty, continuously enhance our skills. This design thinking workshop is one such attempt by Vidyalankar Institute of Technology. We all hope that you all enjoy the sessions and have good learning experience in 5 days with us. With this, I once again welcome you all and wish you happy learning. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you very much, madam. Your thought-provoking address has set a perfect platform for all of us. Well, we have with us now Dr. Saurabh Mehta, the Chief Academic Officer, Vidyalankar Institute of Technology. Having more than 18 years of professional research and teaching experience in wireless system development altogether, Sir is currently working as CAO and professor at the Department of Electronics and Telecommunications Engineering. He is responsible for integrating academia and industry collaboration, bringing innovation and entrepreneurship in academia research program, designing curricula, implementing academic planning and policies, human resource development, and educational training for VIT. Currently, he is also serving as Technical Professional Activity Chair at IEEE Bombay section. I request Sir to now give us all a glimpse of the various initiatives taken by VIT. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mickey Madam. So, wish you all a very good morning. And I would like, on behalf of Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, I would like to welcome Professor Garg and all other dignitaries and our participants for this 5 days FDP program. And I'm very happy to know that all the participants from various parts of the country, they are showing so much interest in this kind of like a design thinking workshop. And I would also like to mention a special our guest, Professor Chang. He's also there. He's one of our faculty member for this program, and he's from Canada. I am hoping that at that time it will be evening. So very good evening, sir, and thank you for joining with us. So at Vidyalankar, we are always focused on learner-centric approach, and all our initiatives, all our policies, everything is actually based on learner-centric approach. I mean, right from classroom designs to architecture design, we see that the design is a core part of VIT, and the same philosophy we take it forward in each and every aspect of our academy. So right now, because of the COVID-19 situation, everybody has started to take a digital learning, online learning. And I am very happy to mention that thing that VIT has adopted all those practices 3-4 years back before this particular like a pandemic. And it is not just academic, but in all other activities also, we make sure that all activities are centered around student-centric learning, and all our approaches are to make sure that students are gaining the benefit, and not just students but also all our faculty members. So with this, I would once again like to welcome you all and wish you all a very happy learning for next 5 days. And I'm sure this particular workshop will be very, very useful to all of you. And whatever the good practice are going to share over here will be implemented at the respective institute. So with this, I would like to wish you all a very happy learning and a good day. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. That was indeed great to hear from you on the eve of the inaugural day. I would like to once again welcome Dr. Maiga Chan to our inaugural session, who has joined in. Moving on, Dr. Amit Oak is the Chief Operations Officer, Professor, and Head of the Department of Management Studies at Vidyalankar Institute of Technology. Sir manages the operations of the institute, supervises the financial management, and with his rich and varied experience in the corporate world in training and mentoring roles, media and film, finance, and financial services marketing, he imparts many practical and result-oriented lessons in management to the student community. May I request, sir, to kindly address the gathering?
Thank you, Mickey ma'am. On the behalf of Vidyalankar family, I earnestly welcome all of you for this week-long faculty development program. As Vice Principal Varsha Bhosle ma'am and Dr. Saurabh Mehta has already spoken, the Vidyalankar Educational Group is a prestigious educational establishment which has a rich legacy of 6 decades of academic excellence. It has already been told that it has been established in 1999. We at Vidyalankar Institute of Technology believe that the roots of a great future are created by strong bonds of learning positive lessons. We are committed to the motto of student first, and hence every changing environment, every changing atmosphere, we are committed towards changing our way of thinking and our way of life. And I think so. This is the motto, this is the key of the week long FDP, design thinking. Design thinking is a process for creative problem solving. It has human centered core, and that is what we believe at Vidyalankar. We call all our people as Vidyalankar family. Design thinking encourages to focus on the people they are creating for, which leads to better products, services, and internal processes. Why I'm saying this? We at Vidyalankar, we believe in all of these things, and believing is what is practicing. And this is very important. We at Vidyalankar, as already mentioned by Saurabh sir, not only academics, but a lot of things we have been putting for the development of our teachers, of our non-teaching faculty, as well as our students. And this is what I think so we all are going to learn through this week-long program from our various mentors, faculty members who are going to really share their vast experience. Because from the insight of design thinking, what emerges is a process for innovation that encompasses concept development, applied creativity, prototyping, and experimentation. And I think so, this is the need for the day. If I'd ask a question in the month of March, how many of us really thought about that we will be meeting on such kind of a platform in the month of December? And the answer would have been frantically no. So naturally, today a need has come that every day we wake up and we start with either prototyping or experimentation. And that's why we need to understand, all of us, we should really take this program which Vidyalankar Institute of Technology is offering as an opportunity. This program is for teams and individuals who want to learn a proven systematic approach to new product development. Anyone responsible for driving innovation, growth, and the customer experience should be really benefiting from this program, including functional and cross-functional teams. Again, on behalf of the Vidyalankar Jnanapith Trust, Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, I wholeheartedly welcome all the participants who will be attending this program, and I am thankful to all the people and the chief guest for today's function, the inaugural function. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to you, Mickey ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. I would like to welcome Dr. Jitendra Toravi, sir, also head of the Department of Biomedical Engineering, to our forum, who has joined in just now. Welcome, sir, to the event. Now it's the opportune moment to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg, to the virtual gathering. Having bachelor's in engineering, MBA, and PhD to his credit, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg is a very diverse, fun-loving, and motivational personality. He is currently working as Assistant Director in All India Council for Technical Education, Government of India, and previously served in Department of Science and Technology, Government of Rajasthan since 1998. This was when he met Sri Ravi Shankarji and has been voluntarily dispersing the supreme knowledge since 2000 under the guidance of His Holiness himself. He has worked for the several years in the remote village areas for their upliftment in all walks of life. He has also indulged himself for reformation of jail inmates and was the Prison Smart State Coordinator for more than a decade. His hard work and dedication has reformed more than 1,000 inmates. He has also served as the YLTP coordinator from 2000 to 2010 and is currently teaching happiness, rural happiness, YLTP, and many more programs, and continues to contribute to the society. We welcome you, sir, to this event. May I now take this opportunity to request, sir, to address the delegates.
थैंक यू मिकी मैम। सबसे पहले तो आपकी आवाज इतनी सुंदर है, आप उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।
Thank you, sir.
So beautiful voice ना. First मैं सोच रहा पहले ऑल इंडिया रेडियो से कुछ आवाज आ रही है. Just I'm thinking.
I'm honored, sir. I'm honored.
Yeah, really. हम लोग आपको कहीं ना कहीं एंगेज करेंगे, उसके लिए हम आपसे पहले ही कमिटमेंट ले लेते हैं. सबसे ज्यादा मैं आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू देशमुख सर, अंबादास देश. ही इज सो स्ट्रांग फॉलो अप पर्सन ना. उनका फॉलो अप की वजह से ये प्रोग्राम आया है. मेरे हिसाब से देशमुख सर आपसे 3-4-5 महीने पहले बात हुई थी, हाँ या ना?
यस सर, यस, कई बार बात की
मैं
हमने.
बोला कहीं ना कहीं कमिटमेंट तो है, पर आई कांट डिक्लेयर एक्चुअली ड्यू टू प्रोटोकॉल. आई कांट डिक्लेयर एक्चुअली. यू आर द लकीएस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट आई एम टेलिंग. 5000 प्रपोजल्स आए थे हमारे पास पूरे इंडिया से, उसमें से आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को मिला था. इंस्टीट्यूट में कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. जिस हिसाब से वर्षा मैम बोल रही थी, इतने सारे क्रेडेंशियल्स है, इतने सारे अवार्ड है कि मुझे लगता है कि हमको लगता है कि बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम आपके साथ कर सकते हैं हम लोग, रियली. और सौरभ सर बोल रहे हैं, अमित सर बोल रहे थे, तो इतने सारे प्रोग्राम से ना आप लोगों ने इतने सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑलरेडी कर रखे हैं, इनोवेटिव एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रखे हैं, पेडागोगी को लेके कर रखे हैं. हम लोगों को बहुत जरूरत है कई चीजों की, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन में हर चीज अच्छी नहीं हो सकती, पर ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग में हम कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो अमरदास जी, हम आगे कन्वर्जेंस करेंगे किसी प्रोग्राम में आपके साथ में. वर्ल्ड बुक रिकॉर्ड में अपना ये प्रोग्राम आ चुका है. मैं सारी फैकल्टीज को बोलना चाहूंगा, वर्षा मैम आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया था सबसे पहले तो कि क्या किया. सौरभ सर ने बताया, अमित सर, एंड आई एम टेलिंग इट कि हम लोग कहाँ कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं आपके साथ में. कई बार अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट पीछे रह जाते हैं, हमको पता ही नहीं चलता ऑनेस्टली. तो आप हमारे यहाँ अभी बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स का निकला हुआ है, AQIS का निकला हुआ है. AICTE की साइट जरूर विजिट करें आप, उसमें इतने सारे प्रोग्राम्स के लिए स्पॉन्सरशिप है, इतना सारा फंडिंग है, आप जरूर लेंगे, क्योंकि आपका नैक है ऑलरेडी. इतना सारा आपका महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट से अवार्डेड है. दूसरा मैं कहूँगा, डिजाइन थिंकिंग के लिए हमने बहुत कम प्रोग्राम दिए पूरे इंडिया में, तो योर इंस्टीट्यूट इज वन ऑफ देम. तो पुट योर 100%. एंड फैकल्टी से कहूँगा, यू आर द लकीएस्ट फैकल्टी जो आप विद्या अलंकार के साथ में डिजाइन थिंकिंग प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि बहुत रेयर प्रोग्राम होते हैं, बहुत रेयर फैकल्टी उसके लिए काम आती है. बहुत ही कम लोगों ने अप्लाई किया था डिजाइन थिंकिंग पे. दूसरा एक है हमारा AICTE का जो अटल का प्रोग्राम है, अभी तक हम लोग 1 लाख फैकल्टी को ट्रेन कर चुके हैं. ऑलमोस्ट 560 प्रोग्राम्स हम कंडक्ट कर चुके हैं, मार्च से लेके अभी अप्रैल से लेकर अभी तक. 1000 प्रोग्राम हम मार्च तक कंडक्ट कर लेंगे. पूरा गिनीज बुक रिकॉर्ड में आने का है इसका, वर्ल्ड बुक रिकॉर्ड में तो आ ही चुका है ये. तो यू आर द लकीएस्ट, यू आर आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ इट. ड्यू टू यू दे आर गेटिंग अवार्ड, इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड. एंड ऑलमोस्ट 117 एरियाज को हमने कवर किया है. टोटल मिला के 9 थ्रस्ट एरियाज तो हैं, AI, IoT, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, ब्लॉकचेन, 3D, क्वांटम, ऑलमोस्ट 117 है. बिहेवियरल साइंस में हमने कुछ किया है स्किल डेवलपमेंट को लेके. तो आपका यहाँ का डिपार्टमेंट का मैं सुन रहा था, स्किल डेवलपमेंट को लेके बहुत सारे लोग हैं, ह्यूमन बिहेवियर्स को लेके. मिक्की मैम मेरे साथ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर HRD से है. तो हम लोग और बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम आपके साथ कर सकते हैं. दूसरा मैं फैकल्टी को कहना व्हाट द साइन ऑफ सक्सेस इज द स्माइल इज द साइन ऑफ सक्सेस. तो फैकल्टी को कहूँगा कि जब आप पढ़ाएं बच्चों के साथ, तो भाई पैशन पढ़ाएं, क्योंकि आपका जो है ना वाइब्रेशन जाता ही जाता है बच्चों के साथ में. और बेस्ट हमको रिसोर्स पर्सन क्रिएट करना है इंडिया में. बेसिक पर्पज अटल AICTE ट्रेनिंग लर्निंग अकेडमी का बेसिक पर्पज है, वी वांट टू क्रिएट अ रिसोर्स पर्सन इन इंडिया. तो इट इज नॉट ए फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, इट इज मास्टर ट्रेनर बनाने का प्रोग्राम है टोटल मिला के. तो मैं कहूँगा मतलब सर आप ना उसी तरह से इनको ट्रीट करें, जो भी फैकल्टीज है, तो वो मास्टर ट्रेनर बने. लेवल 2 लेवल 3 पे अपन लेके जाएंगे इनको, जैसा आप सजेस्ट करेंगे. इसमें से कुछ फैकल्टी हैं जो ऑलरेडी लेवल 3 पे होंगी, ऑलरेडी फैकल्टी इसमें से लेवल 3 लेवल 4 तक होंगी, बहुत अच्छी फैकल्टीज होंगी. पर कुछ फैकल्टीज को और वैल्यू एडिशन चाहिए, वी आर रेडी टू गिव. उनको कहीं भी हम लोग बहुत सारे एक्सपोजर का सोच रहे थे. ड्यू टू कोरोना हम लोग सोच रहे थे बाहर भी कुछ प्रोग्राम रखेंगे कुछ फैकल्टी के साथ में, और भी आपके जो सजेशन होंगे वो हम लोग मानेंगे. अभी 15 तारीख को हम एक पूरा स्टेक होल्डर्स.
हेलो,
आवाज आ रही है सर?
sir, a small request, sir. I can't follow Hindi. Can you speak in English?
Yeah, I can speak in English.
Thank you.
Now we are going to be organize a brainstorming session for all the stakeholders on 15th. So please join it and give your suggestions for pedagogy, for value additions, for developments. And I'm telling the faculty, your quality of life is depending on your state of mind. So please, how we can be in a good state of mind? How we can contribute to society? This is the really time to contribute to society. I'm requesting to all faculties, please put your 100% for this program. Don't miss any session. And gain how much you can gain. Because it is the most powerful program. And the way they are working day and night for this program. Really, we are the thankful to core of from the core of heart. And it is a pride moment for us. It is a pride moment for us. I listen to Barsha ma'am and Saurabh sir and Amit sir. The way the institute is they are really working for the every core of the society. And they are contributing. I'm very great. I'm मेरा नमन है देश पांडे सर को जिन्होंने ये इंस्टीट्यूट एस्टेब्लिश किया जिस ट्रस्ट ने रियली उनका जो विजन था it's a really big vision. And last 10 years it's not a big span. The way you are achieving the credentials and award in Maharashtra government and state governments and government of India, really you are working. Nowadays award is not an easy thing. You are working hard, that's why you are getting the things. And again, I'm requesting to faculty, please put your 100%. And also we are organizing a one session for stress management. Yeah. So that way you can contribute now. Please contribute. It is not a one-day program. It is not a 5-day program. It is a really lifelong program. Design thinking is a lifelong program. So how you can contribute, how you can be a resource person for our all programs. Almost now, next year we will sponsor more than 1,000 programs. We will open our portal in almost February or January or February. You can apply it. For the faculty and resource persons, and I'm telling you, we are funding more than 40 activities from AICT. So please see our website. A lot of program is going on. A lot of creativity is going on. Now our scenario, our chairman, vice chairman, and member secretary is different attitude. They want to contribute the nation. Every time they want to contribute the nation. Whole AICT scenario have changed. Now it is not a regulator, it is a facilitator. And now you are seeing I think AICT, if you will see the website of AICT, you will see the wonders. So again, I'm very thankful and grateful to all the Vidyalankar staff and administrators, and I'm very thankful to Deshmukh sir because the strong follow-up. I think 4 to 10 calls, 4 to 5 calls. Just I don't want to say the things, sir, it is happening. You are getting it, but I'm telling, sir, please wait. We have something. And if you want to ask anything, you can ask to me about AICT, about the programs. Faculty, I'm requesting to faculty, please put some time for your quality life. Either meditation, yoga, good books, be good books. And don't be football of others' opinion. Feel pride. Don't go in competition, go in contribution. If you want to be innovative now, say yes every time. When you are saying yes, your conscience have broadened. When you are saying no, your conscience have contract. Really, if you want to contribute for yourself, first don't think about society, don't think about anything. Think about yourself. Say yes. Every time say yes. Then your energy will be different. Your hormone will be different. You don't feel. Again, I'm telling what the success, sign of success. Nobody is seeing your post. Nobody is seeing your bank balance. Nobody is seeing your credentials. Everybody wants to see your smiled face. So just I'm requesting sign of success is the only smile face. So requesting the faculty, either you are professors, head of the departments, okay, it's okay for a moment. But you are human being for whole day. So how you can contribute, write us. We will. We are making pool for resource person actually, for best resource person of the India. This session will be recorded now. Design thinking session will be recorded. We will upload on our portal. Anybody can see. Anybody can see. Almost 200 uploaded is there. 200 programs video is there on our Atal site. And Facebook, social media, Facebook, Twitter, and all this. And I'm requesting to all authority of Vidyalanka VIT, please give in social media. And all the faculty, all resource person, please provide publicity. Nowadays, अच्छे लोग दादागिरी नहीं कर रहे. Good people are not doing दादागिरी. तो अच्छे लोगों को दादागिरी करने का टाइम है. जो अच्छी चीज है उनको पब्लिसिटी करें, उनके बारे में बहुत सारा बोले. हो सकता है थोड़ा ज्यादा बोलना पड़े और बोले. अच्छे लोग बहुत कम बोलते हैं. Good people are not telling so much. They are miser in speaking good things. So I'm telling again, please, good things should be publicized in whole nation. If we are doing design thinking program, I think first year, second program in India, design thinking. So you are the luckiest person, and faculty are the most luckiest person who are taking training. And that they are telling the resource person, Dr. Chance from Canada, right? So beautiful, na? I'm very grateful. You can call any resource person from anywhere. This is the beauty. 42% females are taking part in this program. Atal programs from almost whole nations. 42% females, technical females are taking part, ladies. And all remote area we have covered. All remote area. Before this program, I was associated with the NIT Arunachal. मेरा 9:30 बजे से NIT अरुणाचल के साथ एक प्रोग्राम था उनका, साइबर सिक्योरिटी का प्रोग्राम था, उस पे इनॉग्रल था उनका. दैट्स व्हाई आई रिक्वेस्ट टू अंबादास सर कि मैं थोड़ा 2-4 मिनट लेट हो जाऊंगा. एंड द वे यू आर डूइंग प्रोग्राम्स, एंड अगेन योर स्टाफ इज वेरी गुड. आई एम टेलिंग इट, रियली वेरी गुड. द वे दे आर वर्किंग ना with synergy, harmony, feeling pride and feeling. Thank you, Amada sir, and thank you, Mickey ma'am. Your voice is so good. We will actually request to you join our sessions. And
Thank you, sir.
so beautiful, no? We need that type of people in India. Actually. Thank you, sir. Thank you to. I'm very grateful. Direct, indirect. I'm requesting to all. I'm giving thanks to from Atal Academy and our AICT staff, chairman, vice chairman, member secretary, and our director, Dr. R.K. Soni. All are thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg, sir, for sharing such valuable insights with us. And really, it will pave the way of learning towards a new horizon as a lifelong learning and a humanistic approach to learning, I would say. So essentially, this is the need of the hour, a humanistic approach. So tahe dil se aapko shukriya, sir, VIT ki taraf se, Vidyalankar Dhyanpeeth taraf se. So once again, I thank our chief guest, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg, who has showered such important things which are sometimes forgotten and pushed to the corners. I also take the opportunity to welcome all the delegates who have recently joined in to this national FTP and wholeheartedly welcome them for joining from far and wide places. And I also welcome Dr. B.N. Chaudhary, Principal, SPIT, who has recently joined in. Welcome, sir, to the forum.
Thank you, madam.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Let me introduce all now to the in charge of the first year engineering department, Professor Sonali Borkar. As John Maxwell says, a great leader's courage to fulfill his vision comes from passion, not position. So is the vision of Madam, who takes pride in developing a holistic development of students by building a strong foundation and nurturing multi-dimensional skill sets in our student community. She is associated with Vidyalankar Institute of Technology from its inception. During Madam's career at Vidyalankar, in addition to teaching engineering chemistry for 22 years, she has shouldered a diverse set of responsibilities, I would say, as student council convener, heading the first year engineering department in 2 stints, alumni committee convener, admission in charge, and various other administrative posts. Sonali Madam has started many initiatives in college like an engineering branding event, study circle for students, a global food fest, STTPs, faculty development programs and extracurricular activities like editour for students, webinars, mini workshop series, etc. to mention a few. Now I request Professor Sonali Borkar Madam to address our virtual gathering. Madam,
Thank you,
over to
Mickey. Yeah, thank you, Mickey. And thank you, Dr. Garg, for your inspirational words. Good morning, one and all. It is a privilege to extend a warm welcome to everyone who is attending the inaugural ceremony of the Atal approved 1-week online FDP on design thinking, which is organized by First Year Engineering from 7 December to 11 December 2020. Our dynamic and forward-thinking management, led by the Honorable Chairperson of Vidyalankar Jnanpith Trust, Srimati Rashmi Deshpande, Managing Trustee Shri Vishwas Deshpande, all the respected trustees, Director BDT Shri Milind Tadwalkar, Principal Dr. Sunil Patekar are all exemplary in leading by excellence. As one of the very first employee of VIT, I know how our institute is particular about offering the very best to the student community. It is with a sense of deep belongingness that I enter the gates of my second home, our beautiful VIT campus, thoughtfully designed to stimulate creative thinking of students and teachers. On behalf of Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, it is an honor to warmly welcome our international and national experts who will be sharing their gems of wisdom with all of us in the course of next 5 days. Mere words won't be sufficient to express my heartfelt thanks. I hope we will get many such opportunities to host you in the near future. It is with the great pleasure that I am here today to welcome all the participants who have joined us from across India. I am truly touched to again see the names of the participants who were with us during our super hit online FDP on modern educational tools and pedagogical practices for online teaching, which we had organized way back in June. It shows that you trust us to deliver quality academic programs. I once again warmly welcome you all here this morning. In the words of Henry Ford, anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. I hope that you all have an enriching experience at this FDP. Please do not hesitate to reach out to our coordinators, Professor Minakshi Nandula and Professor Ambadas Deshmukh, in case of any difficulty. We are honored to have one of the international experts, Dr. Maiga Chang, with us. I would request him to say 2 words. So welcome you all again. Dr. Maiga Chang, can you say a few words?
Oh, that's a surprise. So, first of all, namaste. My name is Micah Chang, and I have been IIT Bombay for in 2015, and I did a PhD course. I opened a PhD course there for 5 months, so I'm very familiar with the weather in Mumbai and the food in Mumbai. That is what I miss. So yeah, so this is really my pleasure to be have this chance to come here, and I hope I can see you guys all again 4 days later.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Looking forward for your session. Nikki, over to you.
We are very grateful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, madam, for taking us really nostalgically down the memory lane. That was great to hear from you. Moving on, I would like to introduce the co-convener and overall coordinator of this FTP, Professor Meenakshi Nandola. Associated with Vidyalankar Institute of Technology since 2008 and having teaching experience of 15 years, Professor Meenakshi Nandola, Madam, also shoulders the responsibility of Department Academic Officer and the in charge of the Humanities Department. Without any further ado, I request Madam to apprise all about the FTP.
Thank you, Professor Vicky. After the warm welcoming message from all the dignitaries, I am honored to address the gathering. It is with a sense of gratitude that I extend a warm welcome to each and every resource person who has kindly consented to share their insights with the participants. We are truly honored at this opportunity to host our chief guest, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg, and Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni from AICTE, the dynamic keynote speaker, Mr. Arun Raman. There is a renowned phrase in Sanskrit, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, wherein Vasudha is the earth and Kutumbakam refers to family. In simple words, the phrase means that the whole world is one single family. Learning and knowledge have no borders. It is a privilege to host our international experts, Dr. Maiga Chang, who has joined us today all the way from Edmonton, Canada, and Mr. Yogesh Tadwalkar from Singapore. Our national experts, Dr. Bala Ramadurai, Dr. Anita Divakar, Mr. Sanjay Nayak, Ms. Indira Basu and their team from TCS, Mr. Ajay Agarwal, Ms. Neetu Chakravarti, our alumnus, Mr. Kalpak Chavan, and wellness expert for the session, Dr. Omkar Mate, have contributed nationally as well as globally in their respective domains. I would like to share with the participants that every single expert has expressed that they want the participants to not merely listen, but to have some concrete takeaways from their respective sessions. They are putting in a lot of efforts to deliver long-lasting and deep lessons which the participants can carry with them for a long, long time. They are here striving to create long-term memories. Speaking of design thinking, it is a human-centered approach to innovation. It can empower anyone to apply the design thinking methods in order to solve complex problems that occur around us, in educational institutes, companies, in our neighborhood, country, and even across the globe. Design thinking process involves gaining an empathic understanding of the problems around us so that we can come up with the most suitable solutions. Asking more thought-provoking questions can help teams to discover newer solutions. Design thinking takes a different approach by identifying hidden needs, by immersing in the customer's experience, and by bringing in diverse voices. I am happy to share that our institute had organized a design thinking workshop for faculty in November 2019. I was fortunate to be nominated as one of the participants. That experience introduced me and my colleagues to the concept of prototypes, immersion exercises, end-user empathy, creative thinking, Edward de Bono's lateral thinking, 6 thinking hats, and a platter of many other innovative ideas from design thinking. As a part of the workshop, small groups were formed to understand the actual situations faced by end users. One group went to the railway station, one to the fire brigade, one to a hospital. We all applied the principles of design thinking and we developed completely new perspectives and shared our insights with each other. We were completely zapped by the experience. It had a deep impact on how we made our lessons more student-centric and engaging, and in turn introduced students to the rich possibilities of design thinking and innovation. Like a ripple effect, we wanted the benefits of design thinking to reach out to more teachers. Thus were sown the seeds of this FDP. It is a matter of great prestige that Vidyalankar Institute of Technology has been awarded with an opportunity to organize this approved faculty development program on the exciting topic of design thinking. We had applied to AICTE Learning and Training and Learning Atal Academy way back in March 2020. Then, as you all are aware, the pandemic struck and brought in drastic changes across the globe. Amidst all the uncertainty, it was a pleasant surprise to receive the happy news of approval in October, and that rejuvenated us yet again, and the entire department started putting in efforts to make this event possible and successful. Thus started rolling the wheels of this FDP. The trainers shared simple yet powerful examples like the one of a pediatric X-ray and MRI scanner room, which was visually transformed to resemble an interactive adventure story with props that took away all the anxiety of young patients. So such simple designs, which we came across in our design thinking workshop, we wanted everyone to get the benefit of the same. As Professor Sonali rightly pointed out, ours is a beautiful and international architectural award-winning campus. The founders have put in a lot of thought and efforts in coming up with a unique educational environment that grooms global citizens. With the Institute's motto of students first, every single initiative is meticulously designed, keeping the students' best interests in mind, along with the aspects of empathy and end user satisfaction. The curriculum is carefully designed with a plethora of co-curricular and extracurricular activities, with an aim to promote holistic development. Be it in the physical or online mode, students are immersed in joyful learning. I truly believe that these are all aspects of design thinking integrated into campus life. We have an overwhelming response to this FDP, but as per guidelines, we can accommodate only 200 participants. So congratulations on being the chosen few. I earnestly request each and every participant to take the full benefit of this FDP by attending all sessions diligently. As it is rightly said, the beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. So friends, let us learn from experts and apply our learning to make the world a better place. So with this thought, I would like to sign off and hand over the session to Professor Mickey. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Beautiful, ma'am.
Beautiful.
Thank you, madam, for your introductory words regarding design thinking, and really the memories of our earlier FDP is something to cherish today during this pandemic, isn't it? Because it was really a very different experience for all of us during that time when we were all thinking about the pandemic. So I thank once again our chief guest, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg and Dr. Maika Chand for being with us. And thank you, ma'am. Further on, I would like to introduce Professor Ambadas Deshmukh, the coordinator of this FDP. Sir has a rich teaching experience of 22 years in the domain of mathematics. Apart from teaching, Sir has handled the responsibility of erstwhile in charge of first-year engineering department. Known to be a passionate and a very dedicated maths teacher, I request Sir to apprise all about the various rules and guidelines of the Atal FDP without any further ado. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Nikki Madam. Good morning to one and all. Chief guest of today's function, Assistant Director of Atal Academy Cell Headquarter, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg ji, respected dignitaries, fellow colleagues, Dr. Megha Chang sir, and all my dear participants. At the outset, as an Atal FDP coordinator, I sincerely thank all 200 participants across the nation for selecting our FDP among 30 parallel FDPs on various topics, and welcome everyone for the FDP on design thinking. I shall quickly share few important points about this program. This is a 5-day online FDP under AICTE Training and Learning Academy, that is Atal Academy. There would be 3 sessions every day of 90 minutes each, and an additional session of valedictory function on day 5, mainly for participants sharing or takeaways. We would definitely like to hear from you all on day 5. Participants' attendance shall be marked digitally, so I request everyone to join each session 5 minutes before the scheduled time. Our lines would be open 15 minutes before each session. Please be attentive to all sessions. There could be some polls in between. An online test shall be conducted at the end of the FDP on day 5. Test link shall be shared half an hour before the examination with all participants. Link would be open during 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Please put off your video and microphone on mute throughout the sessions unless asked by the speaker. Please put your questions or sharing in the chat box. The guest speaker shall answer them at the end of the session. During the interactive sessions, if you wish to speak, please raise your hand and mic shall be offered to you based on the time availability and the number of participants who are willing to speak. You are requested to log in with your own name and email ID to mark your attendance, either from your laptop, desktop, or mobile phone, but certainly not using 2 or more devices. For any of your queries, please call us on the contact numbers given in the brochure. All PPTs, learning material, and videos would be shared with everyone after the FDP. The certificates shall be issued from AICTE Atal Academy to the successful participants who have attended the program with minimum 80% attendance, scored minimum 60% marks in the test conducted on day 5, and submitted overall feedback at Atal portal. This feedback link will be available on day 5 on the Atal portal. Using your login credentials, participants can see their percentage attendance, test marks, and download certificate from the Atal portal. Finally, I am extremely thankful to Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg ji, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni ji, for accepting our invitation. of today's function as a chief guest, his thought-provoking address, and I'm equally thankful to all AICTE Atal officials who accepted our proposal and have helped me to organize this FDP. Thank you all. Over to me.
You deserve, actually your institute deserve for this program. We have done nothing.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Ambadash Deshmukh, sir, for your address to our virtual gathering. And thank you to all our dignitaries today for their various inputs. And it has truly been a very different sojourn today to hear from all. I'm extremely grateful to all the participants, all the dignitaries, once again, despite their busy schedule. So, question is, what learning outcomes are we to gather? Well, I would say one of the major takeaways shall be to cultivate design thinking as an organizational culture to drive innovation. And as Tim Brown, CEO of IDEO, says, I would like to quote, "Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation that draws from the designer's toolkit to integrate the needs of people, the possibilities of technology, and the requirements for business success." So this FTP is an educational simulation of talks delivered by expert speakers from across prestigious international and national academic organizations on topics like design thinking for educators, empathizing with users, creative thinking process, storytelling, game-based learning, and many more. Dr. Maiga Chang, Professor, Athabasca University, Canada, Dr. Bala Ramadurai, Ms. Indira Basu, and Mr. Sanjay Nayak from TCS, along with many others, shall unfold the different layers of design thinking from various perspectives so that we can apply the same in our forthcoming endeavors in the teaching and the learning process mainly. In the words of the great British theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking, who says that, however difficult life may stem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. So that is what we are here for. So I wish you all an extremely fruitful event and convey my heartfelt gratitude to all. I sincerely wish that this FTP will be a great success, not only as an opportunity to share the latest trends in education, but also as a long and fruitful friendship among the fellow educators. So on behalf of the entire Vidyalankar Dhyanpith Trust and on my own behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our guest of honor, Shri Giridhari Lal Garg, for gracing the inaugural session despite your busy schedule. Thank you very much, sir. My eternal gratitude remains for our chairperson, Madam Rashmi Deshpande, and Honorable Managing Trustee, Sri Vishwas Deshpande, for paving the right path towards envisioning the global standards in education. I also express my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Managing Director, Sri Milind Tadwalkar, for his ennobled guidance at every step. I sincerely thank Madam Varsha Bhosle, Dr. Saurabh Mehta, Dr. Amit Oak, the pillars of teaching and learning at VIT, and my wholehearted regards to the first year department, Professor Sonali Borkar, in charge, FE, Professor Meenakshi Nandula, and Professor Ambadash Deshmukh, without which this FTP would not have been possible today. I would once again take this opportunity to thank all the delegates who have joined from far and wide. Thank you to all, but join us again at 12 p.m. Thank you.